Hi, Tim from Warco. Just wanted to introduce to you the new DNC18 CNC machine that we've got in our range. We've had one before, but this is the new version 2, which comes with the upgraded guard system to give you protection from the swarf. Up in the spindle, we've got a nice new spindle fan to keep the spindle motor cool throughout working. On the control here, you can see we've got a nice new keyboard, which will give you the opportunity to program on the machine and make edits a lot more easy. Up on here, you can see we can plug in the computer to load our programs. We can use it via a USB drive, and it's also got an integral drive to the machine, so you can transfer your programs directly. It comes with the ability to have an optional probing system, so you can probe your tool lengths, as well as a 4th axis drive, so you can do rotary table work on the machine as well. It's a really good package, really cost effective for home hobby and for education. So if you wanted to take a look at it, come and have a look in our showroom. Give us a call on 01428 682 929, or if you wanted to have a look at it on our website, it's www.warco.co.uk. Speak to you soon.